Hello everyone, Brandon here from ameriDroid. As an official distributor of home assistant hardware, we're always looking for great new devices. A while back, we wanted to add some smart shades, and that led us to SwitchBot. I already knew the brand a little because I bought their SwitchBot bot before, and it worked great with home assistant over Bluetooth. So we reached out to SwitchBot and started carrying a bunch of their products, including the smart shades, which we have a nice buy 2 get 1 free or buy 3 get 2 free deal right now. To kick things off, they sent us some samples, the SwitchBot LockPro, the Keypad Touch, and the Curtain 3. We've been super busy, but I finally tested the LockPro and the Keypad Touch. Here's my honest first impressions. First, I used to have a Wyze Smart Lock on my front door. The problem was it replaced the whole lock, so I couldn't use my original key anymore. That always made me a little nervous. What I really like about the SwitchBot LockPro is it only goes on the inside. You can still use your normal key from outside. That was a big plus for me. It also comes with a magnet sensor for open-close detection. You're supposed to put it at about 1.5 inches from the lock, but on my door it didn't work because the frame isn't flat. It wasn't a big deal. I already have a door sensor on Home Assistant and the auto lock works fine even without the magnets, so I didn't need it after all. SwitchBot also sent us the Keypad Touch, and this thing is awesome. You pair it super easily in the SwitchBot app. It saw my lock right away and let me connect them together. I added my password, my fingerprint, and the NFC card that comes with it. But here's my favorite part. While pairing the NFC card, I saw a note for iPhone users. Please add your transit card to the wallet first. I was like, wait, I can unlock this with my phone? And yes, you can. I added a Suica Japanese card. This is a transit card from Japan to my Apple Wallet card for about $6.40. Now I just tap my iPhone on the keypad and the door unlocks. Super convenient and works with Apple Watch 2 if you add another card. Here's how it works in real life. First, I'm gonna show you the regular key from the outside. Now I can try the fingerprint unlock. Now with the keypad entering my code, this is of course a one-time code that I just set up. I can also do tapping the NFC card. And finally, I can even tap my iPhone. Now for Home Assistant, this is where I had a little disappointment at first. I don't have a SwitchBot hub, so I tried adding it directly via Bluetooth, like my old SwitchBot bot. It was a bit of a pain to set up. I had some issues with the account and I got some errors, but after a little bit I was finally able to get it working. Now, as I was recording this video, and as you can see now, it worked way faster. I speed up the video a little bit, but after a few minutes it got added to Home Assistant and it works so much better. The lock is receiving the commands pretty fast with no big delays, unlike my first test. The Bluetooth signal is sitting at about -59, which is actually a pretty solid connection. Even so, we still recommend using the SwitchBot hub for the most reliable experience, especially if you want rock-solid remote access. SwitchBot is part of the Works with Home Assistant program, and it should support lock, binary sensor, and sensor entities over Bluetooth. You can also add it through the paid SwitchBot Cloud, or as we mentioned before with a Hub 2, for example, using Matter. And I think that's probably the smoothest way. Overall, I like my SwitchBot LockPro way more than my old Wyze lock. I can still use my real key, plus I have fingerprint, code, NFC card, my iPhone, and even my watch. They even release newer keypads with face and palm recognition. Hopefully, we'll be able to stock those soon. If you're looking for a smart lock, I strongly suggest the SwitchBot LockPro and Keypad Touch combo. I'm gonna leave some links and the full written review down in the description. Thanks for watching. Let me know in the comments if you have any questions. This is Brandon from ameriDroid. I'll see you next time.